Introduction. Welcome back to King Bike. Today we are talking about one of the most popular commuter motorcycles in South Asia, the Hero Splendor Plus. Known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance, this bike has become a favorite for daily riders. Design and styling. The Hero Splendor Plus comes with a simple and practical design. It features stylish graphics, a comfortable seat, chrome finishing, and a classic commuter look that appeals to riders of all ages. The lightweight body also makes it easy to handle in city traffic. Engine and performance. This bike is powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine that delivers smooth and efficient performance. The engine is tuned for daily commuting, offering a comfortable riding experience with excellent mileage. The 4-speed gearbox works smoothly for city and short highway rides. Mileage and comfort. One of the biggest highlights of the Hero Splendor Plus is its impressive fuel economy. Riders can expect excellent mileage, making it a budget-friendly option for everyday use. The suspension setup and upright seating position provide good comfort on rough roads as well. Features. The bike includes useful features like i3S technology for better fuel saving, alloy wheels, electric start in selected variants, and a durable build quality. Its simple instrument cluster keeps all important information easy to read. Conclusion. Overall, the Hero Splendor Plus is a dependable motorcycle for commuters who want reliability, fuel efficiency, and low running costs. It may not be a sporty bike, but it remains one of the best choices for daily transportation. Thanks for watching King Bike. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and updates.